Inside this American factory, over 50,000 military uniforms are made each month for U.S. armed forces serving worldwide.
Every uniform begins with American-grown cotton, meeting strict military specifications for durability.
Are the edges aligned at your end?
Spot on. Ready for the next layer.
Every batch undergoes rigorous testing. Seams must withstand over 100 pounds of force.
Size, medium regular. Material content verified. Made in USA compliance confirmed. This lot passes inspection.
Each uniform is sealed for protection until it reaches the soldier who will wear it in service.
Packing list confirmed.
Okay, sealing this one now.
These uniforms meet the contract specifications. The lot is approved for acceptance.
Manifest check on pallet 12.
Verified, Sergeant. All green for distribution.
Roger that. Get the door secured.
Verify the issue sheet and sign on the tablet there, Private.
Yes, Sergeant. Everything is accounted for.